Most people get this wrong when picking up a prescription at Walmart pharmacy. They assume they can just walk in, grab their medication, and leave. But one small mistake can lead to delays, extra waiting, or even an unnecessary trip. In this video, you'll learn exactly how Walmart pharmacy prescription pickup works in 2026, what steps to follow, and how to make the process as fast and smooth as possible. Let's get straight into it. The first step is getting your prescription sent to Walmart pharmacy. This usually happens when your doctor electronically sends the prescription directly to your preferred Walmart location. If you have a paper prescription, you can bring it to the pharmacy counter for processing. Once Walmart receives the prescription, the pharmacy team reviews it, prepares the medication, and checks for any issues. In many cases, you'll receive a text message, phone call, email, or app notification when your prescription is ready for pickup. But here's the problem. Many people head to the pharmacy before receiving a ready notification. That can result in longer wait times because the prescription may still be processing. Always check your status first if possible. Now here's where it gets interesting. The Walmart app can make the entire process easier. After signing in, you can view prescription status, refill eligible medications, and often receive pickup notifications directly on your phone. This helps you avoid unnecessary trips. Let's say John needs a blood pressure medication refill. Instead of calling the pharmacy, he checks the app, sees that it's ready, drives to the store, and heads directly to pickup. That simple step saves time. When you arrive at Walmart pharmacy, go to the pharmacy counter and provide your name and date of birth. In some cases, you may be asked for a photo ID, especially for certain medications or verification requirements. This is where most people fail. They forget to bring identification when it's needed. Keeping a valid ID with you can prevent delays during pickup. In a minute, I'll show you one simple tip that can make future pickups even faster. After verification, you'll be informed of any payment due. If insurance was used, the pharmacy will typically process the claim before pickup. Review the medication information provided and ask questions if anything seems unclear. Pharmacists are there to help explain dosage instructions, possible side effects, and storage recommendations. Now for that time-saving tip. If you take ongoing medications, set up automatic refills when available. This can reduce the chances of running out of medication and makes future pickups much more convenient. To recap, have your prescription sent to Walmart pharmacy, wait for the ready notification, bring identification if required, verify your information at pickup, and consider using the Walmart app and automatic refills for a smoother experience. Now, you know exactly how Walmart pharmacy prescription pickup works in 2026. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment with any Walmart pharmacy questions you'd like answered next.